What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. It is Super Bowl Sunday. Who you guys going for? You know, I'm a Chiefs guy, so I'm a little hurt, but I am happy for my boy, you know, getting recognized the way that he did. Patrick's my homeboy, you know, so Chiefs Nation, it's gonna be our year next year, man. We just gonna build that defense up. We got rid of Bob Sutton, which what we needed to do. Got rid of him, man, so we should be on our way. We should really be on our way now. So we got the offense. As long as everybody stay healthy, we protect our QB, and as long as that defense is popping, we should be good, man. Next year we should be good. So guys, let me know who you got. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and rock with the Rams though, because they do got my boy Marcus Peters on there, and you know Marcus Peters, we gave him that run, you know, with the Chiefs. So you know I'm rocking with the Rams on this one here for this one. All right. Sorry, not New England guy. Never will be. It is what it is. But guys, another payment proof. You know that Easy One Up is still rocking. People don't want instant commissions, man. People don't want to wait. People don't want to messing with their money and you know stuff like that. So I dig it. I'm one of those people as well. You know, I'm no longer utilizing PayPal, so I had to kind of switch up things so then that way I can start getting a lot of things that I needed to get done again and get paid, you know, so I couldn't utilize PayPal, so I had to slow down a lot of my things that was paying out in PayPal. A lot of other things that I'm still trying to get switched over, that marketing systems that I utilize and I definitely involved in because of the commission structure and things like that. So when I'm not able to get paid like I should utilizing those commission structures, I kind of want to do something in a different situation there, okay? But neither here nor there, guys. It's another payment proof that came in. You know, I got paid with Easy One Up again. Another person has joined the team. So guys, you know, I've always tell you about those instant commissions where you can make a lot of money on instant commissions. What is this card doing? You can make a lot of money on those instant commissions, and that's what I prefer on my side there. You know, I have a lot of residual, a lot of things that are set up for me to get paid residually. But there's nothing wrong with instant commissions, guys. They always come in handy, especially if they're large ticket commissions, you know, anywhere from $250, $500, $1,000, on up to $2,000. So, you know, those are the things that I'm into. I love it. All right, guys, had to run into a store. But pretty much here, man, just really want to share with you guys that this is something that you can definitely do, and you can earn instant commissions. Like I said,
text message from 22,622.
The company that I'm actually speaking of right now, that I'm actually getting paid with, is Easy One Up, guys. I've been involved in Easy One Up since 2016, and with the program, and pretty much there's a vault of training that you're going to get on each level. So at the $25 level, there's a vault. At $100 level, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. So if you see where I'm going here, you know, you can actually have the potential to make a lot of money with this program. And guys, they're sharing with you the strategies, and each level has a set of training where you're going to learn strategies to get your business out there. Now, with that being said, I also give you some bonus training as well when you join me, to help you out. So if you're into social media ads, you know, if you're into doing like just ManyChat training, you know, I have a training involved in that. You know, if you want to purchase leads from Udemy or so like that, solo ads, I have a training. If you want to use SMS marketing, I literally have a training. So guys, I'm here to help you and get leads into your business. The whole thing is to get traffic into your business. Regardless of what business that we're promoting, we're slamming it with traffic, okay? And that's what we're going to teach you how to do. So if you guys decide to join, then it's on to the races. Congratulations. You put yourself in a situation where you can make a lot of money, and some big money at that. The community is strong. Guys, Easy One Up, I've never stopped promoting it since I've been involved in it, man, because like I said, it's one of those programs I would even say I've been hard-headed at times, because there were times where I should have just kept, you know, not stop mentioning it. I should just kept mentioning it. So guys, it's one of those programs I'm not gonna stop mentioning, okay? I did for a minute, you know, it was like, hey, I kind of moved on a little bit, but I said, you know what, guys, this is a one-time program. People are still making money. Why keep joining different businesses? Just relaunch your business that you're already involved in that's still hot. And that's what I decided to do, is relaunch it. So here's the thing, guys. I already have a marketing system in place, but we're going to be working on some new marketing systems. So definitely with the Conversion Pros, you can make a lot of good money with the Conversion Pros. The Conversion Pros is a marketing system, a business that literally puts your a system that you really put your business on autopilot. And I built systems regarding this, and then this is what teaches us how to maximize our income as well. So let's say, right, we have a main program, but we need something that does the selling and telling for us. So when someone decides that they want to join the business, they're also going to sign up for the marketing system, which is going to do all the selling and telling for them. With that being said, in that marketing system, they're going to have access to a set of where they can purchase leads and have 50 people to talk to at a bare minimum, where they can talk to them about their business. So not clicks, they're going to get leads, names, numbers, phone, pretty much everything that you need to reach out to a person. You're going to get all that information. Okay, so guys, the goal is to help you maximize your income. Now with this system, you're going to earn $25 residual income for each person that utilizes the marketing system. They're going to be able to test drive it for 7 days for free, and then they're going to be able to definitely utilize it for their main program as well. So now, instead of you getting just a one-time commission, you're going to get a residual income as well with the Conversion Pros. Okay, so guys, we have it all set up. I will be working on another funnel, so it's going to have the Conversion Pros and SMS phone leads. So it's going to have the main program, and then you're going to have the traffic sources and the marketing system in the back, and all of them you can maximize your income. All right, so guys, it's your boy Jay. Hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video, I would like to say, go Rams. Peace.